Amerika Tashqi ishlar ministrligi 12-iyul kuni o'zining 2021 yillik Ali Veysel irqiy qirg'inchilik va vahshiylikning oldini olish doklati e'lon qilib, Uyg'urlar uchrayotgan irqiy qirg'inchilik va insoniyatga qarshi jinoyatga alohida o'rin bergan. Shundaqla hukumatning bu masaladagi pozitsiyasini sharhlagan. Dokladda Tashqi ishlar ministri Blinken 2021 yil 1-oyda sharhlab o'tganidek, Xitoy Xalq Cumhuriyetining Şinjandagi asosliq musulmon xalq bo'lgan Uyg'urlarga va boshqa etnik va diniy asonliq millat a'zolariga qarata irqiy qirg'inchilik va insoniyatga qarshi jinoyat sodir qilayotganligi ta'kidlangan. Shu kuni doklad e'lon qilish munosabati bilan o'tkazilgan axborot yig'inida Tashqi ishlar ministri Blinken bu yilgi dokladning tunji qitim Berma, Etiopiya, Xitoy va Suriyani o'z ichiga olgan konkret davlatlardagi vahshiyliklar to'g'risida atrofli to'xtalganligini bildirib, bu davlatlar hukumatning xizmat planidagi eng keskin tashqi siyosat xirisiga vakillik qilganligini aytgan.
This year, for the first time, the report provides direct, detailed accounts of atrocities taking place in specific countries, including Burma, Ethiopia, China, and Syria. These places represent some of the toughest foreign policy challenges on our agenda, and we'll keep working toward resolutions that reflect our commitment to human rights and democratic values. We'll use all of the tools at our disposal, including diplomacy, foreign assistance, investigations, and fact-finding missions, financial tools and engagements, reports like this one, which raise awareness and allow us to generate coordinated international pressure in response.
This year's report details a few specific country cases where the department has determined or acknowledged that atrocities have occurred in recent years and thus are at risk of further atrocities. For example, the report draws attention to Xinjiang, where the People's Republic of China has committed and continues to commit genocide and crimes against humanity against Uyghurs and members of other ethnic and religious minority groups.
Axborot yig'inida muvaqqat yordamchi tashqi ishlar ministri Robert Faucher Xitoyning Uyg'ur elidagi Uyg'ur va boshqa etnik, diniy asonliq millatlarga qarata irqiy qirg'inchilik va insoniyatga qarshi jinoyat sodir qilganligi va davomli sodir qilayotganligi, Amerikaning bu vahshiylikka xotim berish strategiyasining diplomatik strategiya bo'lib, Xitoyga qarata imkoniyatni yor bergan barliq qurollarni ishlatib, besimni davomlashtirganligini bildirgan.
With the submission of this report, the United States reaffirms that atrocity prevention must remain at the forefront of international peace and security efforts. Atrocity crimes pose some of the gravest threats to the rules-based international order that has helped bring peace and prosperity for more than 7 decades. Importantly, this report is about continuous improvement in U.S. efforts to uphold that order by preventing atrocities from occurring. To carry out this important work, the White House-led Atrocity Early Warning Task Force continues to coordinate a whole-of-government approach to prevent, mitigate, and respond to atrocities.